Okay, math 124, calculus. Doing the power rule with multiple subjects. Okay? What do I mean by multiple subjects? I mean you get something like, I don't know, 5x cubed plus, I don't know, 24 square root x. Where is yours divided by?
Divided by.
Oh. Divided by square root x minus, I don't know, how about 3 divided by, is yours divided by, or is it, okay, divided by x to the 4th. Okay? Alright, so this is f of x. So what is f prime of x? Well, we just start taking the derivative. But before we do that, let's talk about f of x. Let's rewrite it. So I'm going to rewrite it a little bit more sensical. What does that mean? Well, I want to write it on one line. It's so much easier to deal with. So first of all, this square root x is really x to the 1/2. So I really want to realize that. Okay? Second of all, it's in the bottom, so to bring it to the top, I have to make the exponent negative. Okay, so 24x to the negative 1/2. And then this one, I do the same thing, minus 3 to the x to the negative 4. Because that way I have them all on one line, and now I can do my power rule. Remember, the power rule is the power times the coefficient minus 1 from the power. Power times the coefficient minus 1 from the power. Power times the coefficient minus 1 from the power. As long as I have all the functions on one line, the power rule is simple. Okay? So, f prime of x is 3 times 5, which is 15, x to the 3 minus 1, 2. 1/2 times 24, negative 1/2 times 24 is minus 12. X to the negative 1/2 minus 1 would be negative 1 1/2. Okay? And then negative 4 times a negative 3 would be a positive 12. And then 1 from negative 4 would be negative 5. Okay? But now I need to rewrite it so that it looks appropriate. So we're now going to write it back to this. So I got f prime of x is equal to 15x squared minus, and I have, this is negative, so I know it's going to go down below, so I better make a fraction bar. 12 is on top, the x is down below, and how many x's do I have? I have 1 1/2 of them. I have 1x and 1/2 of them, and a square root of one of them. Okay? 1x in the half box. Okay? Plus, and then I have another negative exponent, so I know I have a fraction. And then I have a 12, so that stays up top. And a negative 5, so I have x to the 5th in the bottom. And that, my friends, is how you would do different types of functions adding to each other, but still being able to use the power rule. Okay?